Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look about similarity and congruence, and we have our question. The figure below represents a cone of height 12 centimeters and base radius 9 centimeters from which a similar cone is removed, leaving a cone hole of height 4 centimeters. So we have our cone from which a smaller cone was cut from. So the height of the larger cone is 12 centimeter, then the height of the smaller cone 4 centimeter. Then we have the radius of the larger cone as 9 centimeters. We have part A, calculate Roman 1, the base radius of the cone hole. So the question requires us to calculate the radius of the smaller cone from here to this point. So before we can calculate, we have to understand what we call as linear scale factor. So the linear scale factor, these are relations that give the relationship between the length of two figures. So from this we have the height of the larger cone and the height of the smaller cone. So we can find the linear scale factor by getting the height of the larger cone, which is 12, divided by the height of the smaller cone, which is 4, divided by 4, we get as 3. This is the linear scale factor. So from the linear scale factor, the question requires the base radius of the cone. So we have the radius of the larger cone, we have as 9 centimeters. So let radius of smaller cone to be x. So getting the linear scale factor, we get the radius of the larger cone, which is 9, divided by the radius of the smaller cone, which is x, is equals to 3. So we can find our x. We can cross multiply. Thus 3x is equals to 9. Then divide by 3. Our x is 3. Then Roman 2, the volume in terms of pi of the smaller cone that was removed. So the volume of the smaller cone, volume of a cone is given by a third pi r squared h, where h is the height of the cone. So we have a third pi, our radius is 3, so multiply by 3, then times height, which is 4. So these 3 can cancel with this one. We have 12 pi. Then determine the slant height of the original cone. So the slant height of the larger cone, we can extract a right angle triangle whereby we have the height as 12, then radius as 9. So we can calculate the slant height, that is this A, B, C. A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. So 12 squared plus 9 squared is equals to C squared. This 144 plus 81 is equals to c squared. C squared is equals to 225. Our C is equals to 15. Thank you. When come to our next lesson.